Wake up, put those feet on the ground and get your head in the game, because we've got work to do. You know that anything worth having in life takes work and requires sacrifice. But don't wait for the time to be right, you make the time. Every day brings a crossroads between the right way and the path of least resistance. But you're headed uphill. You train because you love your body, not because you hate it. So don't roll with the punches, throw them. Don't settle for a life that's in any way less than the one you are capable of living. So let the sound of your heartbeat drown out the fear, the haters, and the naysayers. Because it doesn't matter if you finish strong or barely finish, as long as you finish.